I love pink. It stands for breast cancer awareness, a fight I know too well. It's fierce, it's soft, like that Aerosmith song. And every time I think of pink, I think of something wild and beautiful in my own hometown, Shillong. Aha, the cherry blossoms. Yes, it's that time of the year where the hills of Shillong blushes pink. They turn pink because of a natural pigment which is triggered by cold nights and warm days during autumn. Yes, autumn, not spring. But what if I told you these cherry blossoms weren't borrowed from Japan? Interesting, isn't it? While the world knows sakura from Japan, botanists believe their story actually began here, back to the Himalayas. These wild Himalayan cherries have always lived here, quietly, planted during colonial times, forgotten by many until someone saw them. And this was a botanist named Dr. Dinabandhu Saho, who one day looked out of his hotel window in Shillong and saw a plan. He mapped every cherry tree in Shillong, then planted thousands more with local hands and the government's help. And now, every November, Shillong transforms. Today we dance beneath them, we sing, sip wine, recite poems, play folk music, rock concerts, poetry, archery, all under pink trees. And maybe that's why I love this fierce, quiet, beautiful color. Because to me, it means strength in softness. They don't follow trends, they follow rhythm. Just like my Shillong, that also echo the timeless message of the sakura, that there is beauty in stillness, grace in beginning again, and that some of the most precious things in life are meant to be shared.